Hi everyone, welcome to our abstract nail art tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through creating unique and eye-catching abstract nail design that will elevate your manicure game. Are you ready to unleash your inner artist and transform your nails into a work of art? Let's get started. Abstract nail art is all about embracing your individuality and letting your imagination run wild. Unlike traditional nail design, abstract nail art allows you to experiment with colors, shapes, and patterns, creating one of a kind manicures that truly reflect your personality. First, gather your supplies: nail polish, a base coat, top coat, nail art brushes, and some nail polish remover for any mistakes. Now let's dive into the fun part. Start by applying a base coat to protect your natural nails. Then choose your favorite nail polish color for the abstract design. Remember, there are no rules in abstract art, so don't be afraid to mix and match. You can experiment with techniques like watercolor, nails, splatter painting, or even freehand brush strokes. The key is to let your creativity flow and embrace imperfection. They add character to your design. Once your abstract masterpiece is complete, seal it with the top coat to protect and enhance the shine. And there you have it, your very own abstract nail art masterpiece. You see this design, how much beautiful creative art, and make sure you like it, this design. Abstract nail art is a fantastic way to express your unique style and elevate your manicure game. Thanks for watching our abstract nail art tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow nail art enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more inspiration.